Which constitutional provision primarily outlines the separation of powers between the legislature, executive, and judiciary in India? Article 50, Article 48, Article 44, Article 51A. Article 50. Explanation. Article 50 of the Indian Constitution mandates the state to take steps to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public services of the state. This directly addresses the separation of powers by preventing the executive branch from influencing or controlling the judicial branch, ensuring judicial independence. While the Constitution doesn't explicitly dedicate a single article to a comprehensive and exhaustive outline of the separation of powers like, for instance, the U.S. Constitution, Article 50 is the most directly relevant provision among the given options concerning the functional separation of these branches, even if focused primarily on the judiciary and executive. The underlying concept of separation of powers is enshrined in the basic structure of the Constitution and implied through various provisions distributed across the document, with Article 50 contributing specifically to this principle. Why other options are less suitable? This directive pertains to the organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. This directive concerns a uniform civil code for citizens. This deals with the fundamental duties of citizens.